Okay, cool. We will start this class. This class is specially for the people who want to take intraday trades. Like if you want to understand how to select the stocks and how to trail that stocks for a bigger profits. That is what is more important here. Otherwise, you will miss a lot of very good options, whichever is market is giving. Like example, Sensex on Friday. It was a beautiful base, and from base there's a reversal. So when it crashed around
Scusa, ragazza, penso.
1,200
Hola,
points.
Carmorito.
Srijan, can you mute yourself?
What do you put enough friends?
Okay, sorry. uh, Thing is that you should know where to find a base, so you know that where to take a profits. Now here 1,200 points fell down, but a sharp recovery came back from here, which is around 2,000 points, which is superb, which is basically 3,000 points in the same day. What Sensex gave a rally up and down both the sides. So this is what we need to understand how to find the base. Now, why this particular class is that a lot of people are missing out intraday trades. And intraday trades, let me open the scanner, which you already everybody got the scanner, which is basically for your Diwali gift. And I don't know how many people are using scanners. And if you use it wisely, it is jackpot. Now, example, this is a scanner where I did a run, and once run is done, I got this stocks, which is the same scanner what you have, intraday scanner what I gave. So in this now, say example, Bajil came, DCM came, CRM Sales came, Aptech came, REPL, which I also selected the stock and I gave you, Orbit Experts. So every stocks are here giving you the momentum, and you need to understand how to take an entry and exit, because that is very important for intraday. Okay, you might don't know how to do a index trading, like you don't know how to do Nifty or Sensex or anything, but yeah, you just want to be safe, because see, intraday stocks you can always convert to a swing, so it is always an opportunity where you can hold for a little further time also. Now, example, let's see how to use the scanner, which is intraday, which everybody is already having the scanner, and how to use this in a chart, how to understand the chart, how to book a profits. Quickly, I'll explain. So please give a complete focus and write it down if anything you want to write. Now, Bajel, DCM, Serum Silks, we got these three stocks. What we do, we will go back to our chart trading view and we will add this in our watch list. I think I have already added. Okay, one stock is here. Cool. So Bajal is already added here. And now see, it stock is given this amazing moment. When this amazing moment happened, now I'll remove my markings because this is my swing trade. So question is that anyone can confirm. Can you see the screen and this particular stock?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, thanks.
Yes,
Thanks.
bro.
Thanks. Cool. So when you're observing this, 1 minute, guys. Mm, when you're observing this, see, amazing momentum happened in this particular stock. Amazing. Because there is no missing out this stock. So if you miss out this stock, then you can't make money. And I think this particular stock, one of member, I guess Dheeraj got this from the scanner and he tried his best. But yeah, there are two opportunities to trade this stock. One is your 5 minutes ORB. So 5 minutes ORB, you guys know, three candles top, three candle bottom at 5 minutes. Center is your SL. When stock gave a breakout closing above this, you can trade intraday, which is around 8% profit, which is around 22 rupees profit. Now, biggest question that how to hold it till here. Most of the people don't know how to hold till this place. So they say, okay, target is there, or you know that some places the stock is already moving at this phase, and or it is very slow. How to catch the entire 20% gains, or either it's a 20% gains, or either at least minimum to 5 to 6% gains. So when you follow this ORB, there are two options. One, you need to go with a bigger time frame and understand what is your immediate targets. Now, in this case, when I'm opening a bigger time frame, now 30 minutes, let me open 4 hours. See, there are immediate targets. Example, so this was our entry. If you're looking at the price action, we have one immediate target here because of this swing zone. We have another immediate target here. We have another target. We have another target. Now, this you might think too much of work because you need to go back, check, understand what is my targets, till where I need to hold, or how to trail this particular profit. So, example, now if you see these lines, whatever we marked right now, you got a breakout here. Your first target, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth target, all targets are done exactly of your price action point of view without using any indicator. So when you know this, how to make a price action, because last week also we discussed the same thing, you should know how to mark levels. Till the time you don't know how to mark levels, then you can't see exactly on that point we got the target. Now let me check another stock. Just for later, I'll give you the technical mechanism how to. Okay, let's check REPL. Okay, REPL also gave amazing momentum. And here, if you're looking at the ORB here, ORB is technically or practically not possible to take, because ORB में क्या होता है? First, you either sometime ORB में you will not get the stock itself. Now, example, see, this is the day, 15 minutes time frame. This is your 13th December, right? What we saw. Yeah, 9:15 candle. So 9:15 candle, 5 minutes ka three candles. If I mark,
Hello.
guys, please mute. This is top 9:15, and this is the bottom at 9:15. Okay, this is a candle. So if I see ORB here, entry was already captured and it came in the scanner somewhere around here. I remember 229, I guess. So I had given this stop. Now it is too fast, and you got the chance here to take an entry just using ORB, nothing else, which is around 15%. Sorry, yeah, around 15% gains intraday. The biggest question is that how to hold it till here. So one side you understood how to mark levels from the last high, which is a previous high. Now, question is, if you don't have a previous high, so what you will do? The most of the people have this question. Now, see, example, this stock is at all-time high, and you don't have a conviction to hold this stocks. Let me open weekly time frame and see if anything is there. Okay, levels are there. It is not all-time high. So your immediate resistance was somewhere here. Next target was here. Final target was this. Before that, there was a rejection here at this. Okay, you had levels. I have not seen at that time. So now see, if you are following this markings, understanding old levels, you can easily hold till all the levels. The question is here, what if you don't have a levels? What if you don't have a all-time high level? So let me open DCM and see if there is a let me search a stock which is at all-time high. Now this is a DCM at 5 minutes. Okay, I don't think so. It has older levels. Okay, this also have here. Come on. Mm, okay, this also have older levels because price action is a memory. Price will have memories. That is why you will get the exact rejection somewhere there. Okay, let's open India Hotel. It doesn't have any history because it is at all-time high currently. Wow, see, this is a weekly chart. There is no history happening here. Okay, let me open 5 minutes. Now I'll show you if there is no history, if there is no price, memory of old price, then how to take a targets. So that is what I'm going to teach because see, in the next 1 week I'm not there. You have a scanner, so you need to learn this so you can easily make some money. But yeah, price action is the key. If you don't follow price action and simply follow indicators, then nothing going to happen. You will never learn because indicators might ditch you sometimes, and indicators are very dangerous because see, to be honest, indicator is there for everyone. So it's the same indicator, entire world know the same indicator. But biggest question is that why everyone is not earning? Because they are just depend on indicator, they don't know how to trade. So don't follow only indicator. Always follow your technical analysis skill first. Then you go for indicators for a reconfirm. Now example, see 9:15. I got this. This is a 9:15 candle. I mark my ORB for Indian Hotel. Okay, this is my SL. Let me write SL. Okay, this is my SL. This is my entry point. Now, if you would have taken an entry here, like with the revenge mode, your SL would have been triggered. And when stock comes here, by panic, you will start selling here. Okay, recover कर लेंगे. So that will not work. You have to wait for ORB at any cost. See, at 12:25, 12:15, you got your ORB breakout. 12:30. So you waited from 9 to 12, which is around 4 hours. So there's no other option. You have to wait. Now, considering there is no further levels backside to check the levels, there is one indicator called pivot standard. You can take a screenshot. So this is an indicator, pivot standard. You can add this indicator. It will give you support and resistance automatically. Don't change any settings. This is in the traditional. I will give you a different settings later, not now. Now you go with the basics. There are some settings, some numbers. If you change, it will give you very accurate information. But right now, I'm not sharing any details there because first you need to practice price action and be a manual trader. Once you have this indicator, now you know exactly once your ORB is broken, you have your first target from here, which is around 3 rupees. If you buy 1,000 quantity at intraday, 3 rupees is 3,000. You have next resistance, which is around 9 rupees, which is considered as 10 rupees, 30,000. And if you are going for a resistance 3, which is 15 rupees, which is 45,000 rupees, that time got over here. Otherwise, it would have reached at 21 rupees. So this is the indicator what you can use. Now let's see our old stocks, whatever we marked, whether indicators exactly giving a data as per our mark levels or not. Mm, cool, perfect. See, if you're looking at indicator, in this case, see, indicator will not help you because already it crossed all the levels at your ORB entry. Please observe here. I'll show you something. See, now I'll remove my markings. If you see indicator at this stock, which is a Bezel products, what we seen, you can't trade with this indicator because you don't know what exactly happening here. Correct? Because
Yeah,
if you
Raghu sir, if we open this chart in 15 minutes, then it gives some targets.
no, see, this is in 30 minutes, Hemant.
Yeah, even some stocks give the targets
Correct.
in
But
15
question
minutes.
is there, will you really wait till 12:30 to enter?
No, never.
Correct, no. So that's how it works. When you go for a 5 minutes in a ORB, 5 minutes, you will mark first three candles. Now see, I'll unhide this. See, we have marked already. So this was our entry point. We have marked our point here. If you see, we have exactly marked. In marking levels, when we know our markings, we will follow ORB 100%, which is this was your entry, 269, correct? Now, your resistance or a pivots are not working here because already stock opened a gap up, correct? Stock opened gap up. Gap up is around from our last closure 3%. Sorry, first candle 6% gap up. Stock already opened a gap up. Now the pivots doesn't have any data to show you. That is why I purposefully showed this. First, you need to mark your levels at any given time. If you don't mark your levels, suddenly now I'll remove the pivot and I have my data, my targets where I can easily take the trade because my SL is here 260. My entry is 269. Risk reward ratio is amazing. Just I need to take 9 rupees risk to take till 93, which is around because you need to just keep trailing. I'll show you how to trail also, which is around 23 rupees. Your risk is 9 rupees. Reward is 23 rupees, which is 1 is to 3. So this is a beauty. For this, you need to learn a price action. Now, how to trail? Once you take the entry here, 269, let's remove this level. It is too early. This is your first target. Now, once your first target is achieved and you get the closing candle above the first target, this is your closing candle. Can you see this? Oh, where is the pen? Where is the brush? Okay. See here, this is your closing candle. Can you guys observe here?
Yes, yes.
Pakka closing candle. You need a closing candle. You can't just take the trade without a closing candles. Once you get the closing candle, this your entry will become your stop loss, which is 269. It means you're in no loss zone. Whether stock is going up, let it go up. No, how much ever time it wants, let it go upside only. And anyways, you're not losing anything because your capital is safe. Once it touches second target, which is 284, 276 will be your stop loss. This will take maximum emotional control because when these candles will play around here, you will be like, अभी इधर डालूं मैं stop loss, अभी इधर क्यों? At least 5 रुपए profit होने दो. If you have that mindset, 100% it will eat your stop loss and go up. It is all about mindset. Now, when you when this level crossed and touched this is your stop loss, 281. Let it run. No, hold the profits. Don't hold the losses. Same thing what people do in a ultra reverse condition. When this, if same chart is at the reversal mode, this is my stop loss, but I'll wait till here. Okay, अभी वापस देख लेंगे because इधर से एक reversal आ सकता है. I will wait till here. So losses will increase here. This is what 99% people do in a stock market. That is why they lose more and gain less because people have ability to hold the losses because of that mindset, because of that ego, because of that what do you say, मुझे सब पता है अभी रिवर्स हो जाएगा market. If you agree or not agree, but that is a fact. Sensex gave an amazing movement on Friday.
Bro, found
I'll,
out.
yeah, Thiru.
Bro, can we use 1 minute ORB?
No, you can't.
Okay, okay,
If you want to, you see, I'll show you in a Sensex.
okay, okay, bro.
You should have minimum 5 to 10 years experience in market to use 1 minute. I'll show you how your psychology works in 1 minute. Okay, this was our 1 minute chart. First of all, you will not get an entry in 1 minute, but if you get an entry, you should be super fast enough to take a trade in 1 minute. See, this is your 1 minute, second minute, third minute. In a third minute, if I mark this is why I said 1 minute. Because in 3 minutes, do you really have a time to see open chain, open interest, how charts are
Oh, no.
moving? What is yesterday's low? What is the volume generating? Do you really have data, that much data to see within 1 minute? No. So see, you will never take entry here. These three candles are exactly sitting on this and it went down, came up. So automatically you will have a fear. You will never enter here. Whoever challenging me or whoever is a pro trader, I can open challenge. You can't trade in 1 minute at these type of candles. If these three candles were that 1 minute, yes, you can take an entry. But here, see, this 3 minute, it is giving you heart attacks or it is giving you self doubts that whether you enter or not. So you can't. I'll show you what exactly happened on Friday, Sensex. Why I'm saying marking levels are very important. It gave amazing, beautiful confirmations many times to take a trade, and many miss the trade. So that is the thing on Friday. I'll show you why intraday is beautiful when you exactly follow the charts. So you have the scanner, you will get a list, a stock in a scanner. Once you have the scanner, what you need to do, filter the highest volume. Anyways, intraday trading scanner is a live scanner. So you need to keep pressing refresh the run scan once market is open. Once you get the stock, you need to add that stock into the charts, understand the volume of the stock, mark in 5 minutes first three candles, which is in a top and bottom of 5 minutes. Once you understand that, then take an entry with the SL. If you have a old data for that stock, don't use indicator. If you don't have a data, then only you use the indicator, because indicators always, they confuse you. So don't get into indicator. Try to do manual levels. Once you learn manual levels, then it is superb. Like nobody can stop you once you understand how to make manual levels. Let me show you Sensex. Okay, cool. So if you're using 5 minutes ORB, so this is my 15-minute top. This is my 15-minute top, 15-minute bottom. Now see, superb. And you have a old data here. This was your resistance. This was a consolidation resistance. Okay, this I don't say this is a level, but if you see now, after the rally, I can see the data, but I don't want to get into that because let's be honest, market होने के बाद कोई भी बोल सकता है ऐसा होने वाला है वैसा होने वाला है, but in a live market you should be knowing that what exactly going to happen. So that is what makes you the right trader. अभी तो कोई भी बोल सकता है. Okay, 5 minute trade, 5, 10, 15, closing दे दिया and sharp rally came and superb trade is done. In this, it created a base. So if you observe, so this was basically a base ban gaya, then it get a reversal. Now, how to confirm a reversal? In a ORB, it is a simple strategy. Now, see, this is your ORB. This is your opening range breakout or a breakdown. And you made your profits when stock started consolidating, you exited because the consolidation might reverse either side. Okay. So once you exited, you will wait again to break your ORB point. Now, this will act like your SL and this will act like your entry because it is given a breakout. It's okay. This much zone is no trading zone. Now I have given you the trade here that is differently, but when you trade independently, if you would have entered at this high also, it was good money because there was no such decay, which is around 1%, which is around 800 points sharp rally. Now, if I add indicator, here indicator works exactly like that. If you see, let me remove my marking because you have already seen, see indicator exactly at support 5 took a resistance and went up. But my question is that when you don't know how to mark manual levels, how you will believe this at this point? That's my question. That is why we take entry at our ORB level only. Otherwise, this will confuse you and anything can happen in this place because no one can predict stock market. It is only that you go with the probability. Cool, guys. This is what I wanted to tell you. So use the scanner and check the stocks. Go with the volume. Check every stock when it comes to a scanner from tomorrow. Try to see ORB levels. Take a volume. If you're confused for a few days, start with only one stock. Take one stock, single stock, because you will not lose anything. एक स्टॉक ले लो एक स्टॉक में learn. Once you learn, take 10 stocks. Once you start learning 10 stocks, start doing 50 stocks intraday. Once you're all confidence with the 50 stocks, go directly for 100 or 500 or 1000 stocks. No problem. So this is what I wanted to teach today. Any questions or anything you have quickly because I have only 5 minutes now. There are two options. क्वेश्चन है मतलब सीखना है, क्वेश्चन नहीं है मतलब सब पता है. No. No questions? Cool, then we'll wind up this class. So there is, if anything is there, you guys can discuss in a group. But as a group, I have a lot of free people, so please don't discuss any indicators or any other stuff which is technical. And this class was specially for you guys because this is only for the premium members where you have already a scanner. You know what to do with the scanner, and most of the people didn't know how to use the scanner and how to
Hello.
understand targets. So this class was
Hello.
guys only in intraday. Yeah, Hemant.
Bro, I just take 2 minutes. This I want to let to know if I follow the scanner. Sometimes the stock almost gave the rally in the beginning. So if I follow any stock and it is already given the 10% upside movement, then it is good to enter again and or I just have to check according to the volumes and all. So if their stock is not moved yet more than 7 to 8%, then also I have to enter at that time.
Just follow ORB. Simple answer.
Okay,
Now, when Raghu says buy CG power at 680, the stock is already up already at all time high, correct?
correct.
The same concept is here, right? You will never buy stocks in that case in your life because everything is already 10%, 15% high only. That is why follow ORB, mark levels, practice. Once you do this, I'm 100% sure that you will not get every day 15% upka stocks. If it is already 15%, if it is already strong, then it will hit UC, which you will still make 5%. Now, example, I had given DCM, I guess. DCM, REPL also had given on Friday. Let's see DCM and let's see where is DC. See DCM chart, 5 minutes. I'm not looking at this indicators. I'm removing that indicators because I hate indicators. Yeah, DCM, if you observe, पूरा दिन एंट्री दिया ही लेटर अराउंड सी इफ दिस इज योर ORB zone. That is why I said convert to swing. And DCM was given actually day before yesterday, so not yesterday, so Friday. You got entry somewhere here, but there is no movement. Volume is high, everything is high, all good, but yeah, nothing is happening. See another stock, REPL. REPL good gave amazing momentum. So don't only sit on one stock. When REPL had given, it was already up by around 3 to 4%, I guess. Yeah, somewhere here we took our entry. And another stock I had given, I don't remember now. So wait, let me check in a group. Yeah, SIS. I had given another stock. This SIYSIL. Okay, see this. See, whole day. This was your ORB. Okay, ORB, ORB. This is big no trading zone. Center of the ORB is your SL. Now you got an entry here because it's a closing candle. And you need to hold because either it will take your SL, which is 36 rupees, or it will go on a top, which is around 68 rupees, which is 1 is to 2. Now let's understand what was the last level to mark here as a targets. If there is no targets, we will go for indicator. There is no target is there, yaar, come on. Weekly time frame. नहीं है, ऑल टाइम हाई में है. नाउ वी विल गो विद द indicator as a target. So let me open 5 minutes. Guys, in next 4 minutes, automatically this class will get over. So disconnected. Okay, again, I remove the indicator by what standard. Bingo.
Raghu bro, here CPR is better or this pivot standard is better for the indicator if there's all time high?
No, no, I will tell you in a different class. This is only for intraday here.
Okay, for intraday you use pivot standard. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So in case of all-time high stocks,
Hmm.
should we rely on indicators or you can calculate manually the targets by calculating the previous breakout volumes
Actually,
and all
manual
that?
calculation is what you need to do. I
Okay.
usually don't use any indicators. So indicators only for people because always they ask how to trail, how to hold. If who is not able to learn in a harder way, like a price action, for them indicator. It is like if you know how to drive a manual car, automatic is just time pass for you. But if you learn
Yeah,
only from automatic, you will never know how to use manual.
right.
Yeah. So now here, if you see, this was our entry. All the targets were here. My main point is here, why I am not pushing indicators, because indicator is same for everyone in this entire earth. Same stock. I have 4,300 people in my group. Everybody has that intraday scanner. Everybody got this stock on intraday scanner. Everybody know what indicator needs to do. Then why everybody is not making a lot of profits? Simple question. Because everybody doesn't know how to do it. That is why chart is global, trading strategy is global, trading capital or SL is global, levels are global. The mindset is very local. So the one who master the mindset, he will trade, he will make money. Same thing with Sensex trade. Both the reversal, amazing momentum in that trade. I got so many screenshots that they lost the money. And I got so many screenshots. They just made one or two good trades and they made good money. So please work on manuals. Don't go for indicator. Indicator is only for you to take a double confirmation, double understanding. Now, as Shaikat asked this question, now see, in this breakout, it gave around 10%. Now, how to analyze manual? In this breakout, it gave again around 8%. Matlab more 2% is pending. Around, yeah, around 1,007. Maybe come in next week because Bhayankar volumes generated here in daily time frame.
In this case, the volume generated is also much larger than the previous one. So maybe we can expect some more.
Yeah, of course, because if you see in a different way of price action, this is a breakout stock, and I already shared this stock. My chart is updated for this stock. I will share now because four stocks are in my radar. I have already added this. Now, example, Bajaj is good. It is already given a 20% up, and now more upside is there for this stock. All the targets in one single candle. Boom. Okay, cool. Meeting is getting ended in next 10 seconds. So thank you guys. If anything is there you discuss in group, we'll try to answer that. Cool.
सर वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करके सब भेज दीजिएगा
Bye.
Thank you.
हेलो थैंक्स ब्रो गुड नाइट
Thank you.
Thank you.